Manufacturing today is complex, fast-paced, and fraught with disruptions. Any inefficiency or downtime can quickly affect productivity and profitability. That's why leading manufacturers trust GoodData's manufacturing analytics platform, the AI-native BI platform that delivers real-time production visibility, smarter decision-making, and operational resilience. Gain visibility into every part of your production lifecycle, from sensor feeds and IoT devices to ERP systems, so nothing goes unnoticed. Anticipate issues before they become costly. Monitor defect rates, machine utilization, downtime, and yield with proactive alerts and anomaly detection, allowing your teams to act swiftly and prevent production bottlenecks. Streamline operations by consolidating data from manufacturing, supply chain, and distribution into one intelligent system. Optimize production processes, fine-tune supply flows, and accelerate time to market through predictive planning and proactive workflows. Manufacture with confidence. Choose GoodData, your partner for smarter, seamless, and scalable manufacturing analytics.